air cups.
Yeah, you get
cool.
this one, you press a button.
Oh wow, that's pretty nice.
And that will go for any car. And,
yeah.
You know, we can add that to almost any car.
Cool.
Which is cool, but these cars already come with it.
Yeah, it is pretty cool that these cars already come with that technology.
As soon as we go around this,
and it's loud. So what does this car have, Justin, in terms of exhaust?
Stuff that we've done to this has been the downpipes.
Okay.
Straight from the turbos, catalyst downpipes. Titanium exhaust from the downpipes all the way to the actual exit.
Wow.
All that is titanium.
Yes.
Oh yeah, we've done turbo inlets.
Cool. All right.
So they're silicone and a lot larger.
Wow.
We did. Oh yeah, the blow valve spacer.
Oh, okay.
I'll see if I can make that sound happen.
Yeah.
It pretty much makes the psh noise.
Yeah, the psh noise.
We did send the ECU to Jinsani for this vehicle to shoot flames.
Nice.
I'll share that
flames
with you.
are always cool.
Yeah, I'll share that with you.
Okay.
You can put that up, it is intense.
Yeah.
What else?
Yeah, because it's loud.
Yeah, we did some smart plugs. Let's make it loud.
Yeah. Wow. It even smacked the phone out of my thumb.
Luckily, everybody loves me around this block.
Yeah. But yet again, you stayed under speed limit, so I mean, that's pretty cool.
It was just one.
Yeah.
Second gear, third. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, these cars are awesome. Wow, that was a cool. I like this profile that you can see here in that rear view mirror. It looks pretty cool. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so he's real excited. He's like, I need a borrow tool to do. I don't know what.
Yeah.
It's open.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we went above 30 miles per hour, obviously.
Yeah.
And the lift system automatically goes down to the lowest section.
Oh, cool. Okay, so it knows. Okay, it's gonna accelerate. So yeah.
Okay. It'll prevent the front end being lifted because of air, right?
Yeah.
You could lose traction. These vehicles will fast really quick. So these systems are there to just make sure to help you out.
Nice. Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I know it has like the airlift, but I didn't know that it would activate as soon as you would.
Yeah, it's automated.
Yeah.
Again, these things are very, very quick, as you felt it.
Yeah.
That wasn't even right up the throttle.
No, that wasn't right up the throttle. That's kind of like it was a really baby just acceleration.
Right under half pedal.
Yeah.
And it does have the Toyo R888s.
Yes, I saw that.
They're super grippy. Even then, I did lose a little traction.
Yeah, I felt it.
I did lose a little traction.
Yeah.
So it is.
And that's how these tires are really wide.
Yeah, they're wide. The tires are huge. But yeah, with the modifications that it has now, with the tune,
should be pushing some.
I'd say like 850.
Wow.
Yeah, I'd say like 850.
That's awesome.
Yeah. It's a lot. It's a lot of power.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it's super worth it.
Yeah, definitely. These cars are actually McLaren has been one of my other favorite cars besides the Lamborghini, and it's well, yet again, I like all exotic cars. That's my toxic trait right there.
Who doesn't?
Right?
Who doesn't love exotic cars?
Yeah, but if I'd like to own one, that would be super cool. McLaren,
and
especially like a P1.
Oh,
that would be awesome. But I mean, that's really high up there.
But this 720, I say is the cream a la creme of performance.
Yes.
It really is. Again, I've been very blessed and being able to drive some of these cars.
Yes.
There's nothing like this. It's wow. This is it for me. If I ever do make it, I think this will be the one.
Would be a cool car, for the shop, for sure.
For sure.
You know what? Talking about McLarens, I know Drag Times. He has driven 720s and owned some, and I would see them on his channel, but I've never, really been inside one and actually gotten an experience one, and this is pretty cool.
I activated the front lift.
Yes, the front lift. That was that noise.
Yes, you press this button right here.
Okay, cool.
Press it, and right now it's lifted. Confirm that you're at your highest point.
Yeah.
And again, we can drive, renew every time we're under the 30 mile per hour. It'll stay lifted, so that way you
prevent from
it's
bottoming out.
Yeah, there's something you need to go over. You need to off-road over something in your car. As long as you stay under the 30 miles per hour, you'll be okay.
True.
I think there's an earthquake.
I know, right?
With a loud exhaust.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's pretty cool. All right, so it has a 360 bird's eye view type.
It does.
Yeah,
It does.
nice. Wow.
Yeah, and then you have it also on your
Yeah, on your screen up there. Wow.
This screen does stuff too, and
Yes.
I'll press some buttons right now. I don't remember exactly how to do it.
Yeah.
Put it in full race mode.
Yes.
I'll try to do that while we're driving.
Okay.
This is where the lift comes into play.
Yeah, this is where the lift comes in handy.
Doesn't even scrape it. So here we go.
My wife's coming right there. That's. I think that truck looks familiar. I wonder who it is.
So
All
we're
right.
gonna lower the vehicle again while we're driving. It's coming down. You felt it
Oh, okay.
already?
Yes, I see the
That's
little
correct.
symbol right there. Yep.
Yeah, perfect. So we are almost at lowest position.
Nice. Okay.
I believe active.
Yes. Okay. Cool.
This one. There we go.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
So this is pretty much track mode.
Track mode.
Yeah.
Yes.
Takes away all the distractions
This-
and literally
yep.
gives you your gear,
Yeah.
RPMs, and the speed.
The speed.
Go.
Yep. Yeah. That's all you need.
Yeah.
Huh?
Active is actually for active aero.
Yes.
The wing does. So you accelerate. It does like DRS style for Formula One. It'll
Okay.
flat. It'll be like as flat as it can.
I noticed that back here now. It looks a little flatter right there.
Yes.
Yep.
If we were to accelerate really hard,
Yeah.
then we cannot in the street.
No. Yeah. No.
And then suddenly come a brake, the wing would lift.
Yes.
And do an air brake.
Okay. Cool. So basically, kind of like in a way a Bugatti.
Exactly.
Yeah.
A Bugatti, a Formula One car.
Formula
with
One
all the
car.
DRS stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, it'll be an active wing. The dampeners get hard as well, just like the Urus and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
yeah.
That's pretty
it
cool.
does stuff. So we're gonna go back.
Sounds expensive, but it's cool.
Yeah, it's expensive stuff. But look, it retracts.
Yeah, now it goes back.
Back to normal driving mode.
Yeah, normal driving.
And then we take off the active,
Mhm.
and it goes back into subtle mode.
And you can hear and you can actually hear the exhaust. You can actually hear the exhaust note change as
Yes,
well.
yes.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it'll hold the gear. It does all those things, right?
Yeah. So what is the miles per gallon on this car, Justin?
Around 10 miles to the gallon. We call them smiles per gallon.
Smiles per gallon.
How many smiles per gallon do you get?
Yep.
Plenty.
Yeah, I think I've been smiling the whole time I've been in this car.
So yeah. So you can take a look now at the wing. Since we are in super
Yes.
subtle mode,
Now
it's flat.
it's flat. Yeah,
really flat.
it's flat.
So yeah, the car does a lot of cool stuff. It does really, really cool stuff.
Yeah, it is. It does have a lot of cool buttons.
Yeah.
I like that engine start. It looks pretty cool.
Yeah, engine starts. This whole panel right here is really
Yeah,
cool.
it is awesome. It looks very functional.
Well, now, what do you think about the seats?
The seats are actually comfortable.
Right?
I'm very
Incredible.
surprised, man. These exotic cars are outdoing themselves. It's actually more comfortable than some regular civilian cars, regular basic cars, everyday cars. It is actually comfortable. I'm shocked.
I asked because I've been in this car a couple
Yes.
of times. We've been able to, do the work and stuff. So, not that I'm used to it. I'm not used to it whatsoever. But I always still get amazed, and I like to ask any other person that's been in them, how do you feel the seats? Because usually we think, oh my God, they're uncomfortable.
Yes.
Honestly, I would take a 3-hour, 4-hour drive with this thing.
Yeah, you could. Yeah, you can easily go far in this car.
Yeah.
And the seats are very nice too. It has an orange stitching on it. Mixed a little Alcantara with leather as well. So very nice. You got all the orange accents along with it as well right here. Yep.
So originally the car was white.
Yes, I remember seeing it white. Yes.
So the white with the orange accents. Oh man, it looks beautiful.
It does. It
But
does.
this wrap also does really
Yeah, this wrap looks pretty neat too.
Yeah, I think this comes DDE.
DD, yes. You know what? Okay, that's right.
Yeah, I believe they came up with the color code or something like that. And,
Oh, cool. Okay.
And I'm not sure if it's 3M or one of those wrap companies or vinyl companies. They produced the color for them, and then
Wow.
they offered it to the public.
Oh wow.
So
Okay.
it is on the slightly expensive side for wrap material.
Yeah.
But it's the legit one.
Nice. That's something I didn't know.
Again, smiles per gallon.
Yeah, smiles per gallon for sure.
Smiling when I'm driving, I was like this.
Yeah, I know, me too. My mouth is already getting tired of just smiling.
You're gonna work out.
Yeah, getting a workout, right?
It's
Yeah.
amazing to be able to drive these things. And
It does. Such a blessing for sure. You get to work on these cars, and the owners trust you enough to drive them.
They're nice people. This person right here, I was very surprised.
Yes.
Since the beginning of us working on his cars, the very first time I invited him out to a car meet, and of course it's one of those cars and coffee style meets.
Yes.
And I was very surprised the way he acted, especially around kids.
Yeah.
There's a kid that got super excited about the car, obviously, and he started opening the doors and please get in the vehicle, and these kids were like getting on the seats with their shoes and everything, and you would imagine he would be like, hey, no, stop. And the parents was like super embarrassed. He was like, don't. And he's like, leave him, it's okay. I was watching all this while all that was happening. Yeah. And I was like, wow. My perspective again of people that are able to own these things changed completely.
Yes.
Because we're right in that.
Yeah.
But really, the reality of things, they're very humble people.
Yeah.
Super humble.
Yeah. It. You know what? I think that's been my experience so far, and I think it's pretty cool.
You learn something every day, and that day I learned something very, very intense. To where, because I'm always been very peculiar of my vehicles.
Yes.
Like I'm one of those that I'm like I don't like for my daughter to eat in my car.
Yes.
Or stuff like that, right? Like
I'm like that too, but it doesn't.
But then I saw this and I'm like that's a McLaren.
Yes.
And he's okay with it, and I'm over here like with my BMWs. Getting after my daughter for eating in it.
Yeah.
And I was like, you know what? Wow. I learned something.
Yeah.
So yeah. Cool.
It happens. It
a U-turn here.
Yes.
Just so we can go into the shop in reverse.
In reverse, yeah. Have it ready.
Again, the lift, the nose lift is a miracle worker.
Oh, yeah, we can see it's got like a little red thing there where it's backing up, but it's
sensor.
The sensor
itself. I think when it was getting wrapped, it might have gotten damaged.
Oh, okay.
That's one of the reasons why it's here.
Yes.
The sensor, the windshield washer. I think the sensor with that one too.
Oh wow.
We're gonna make them be quiet.
Yeah. You McLaren.
But we'll get all that sorted.
Yeah. Well, Justin, it has been a pleasure being in this car for sure. And thank you so much for giving us a ride along. Like, share, subscribe as well, and for more content from Justin as well. And I'm very grateful for these opportunities that Justin gives me, and then also I'm pretty sure he's grateful too for the people trusting him with these very expensive cars. And yep, sounds pretty good. Oh, there you go.
Now she's warm.
Yeah, now she's warm. Yeah, now it can be revved. Yeah. All right, Justin. Well, thank you.